Understanding draws a blank, an easy guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, draws a blank. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Draws a blank is an idiom that refers to the inability to recall a memory or failing to produce an answer. It's like when your mind goes empty in a moment where you're expected to remember or say something. For example, if someone asks you a question and you can't remember the answer, you're drawing a blank. This phrase has an interesting history. It originated from the lottery systems of the 19th century. In these lotteries, a blank was a lottery ticket that didn't win. So, when someone draws a blank, it originally meant they didn't draw a winning ticket. Over time, this evolved into its current meaning related to memory and recall. To better understand, let's see it in action. When asked about the capital of France, Jake drew a blank. During the interview, I drew a blank when asked about my previous job experience. Notice how it's used to describe situations where someone fails to recall information. A common mistake learners make is using this phrase in a non-figurative sense. Remember, draws a blank is not used for physical actions like drawing on paper. It's purely metaphorical, related to memory and mental recall. The phrase can be slightly altered without changing its meaning. For example, I'm drawing a blank here. She drew a complete blank during the quiz. These variations are equally common and retain the same meaning. I hope this video clears up any confusion about the phrase, draws a blank. It's a simple yet colorful way to express a moment of forgetfulness or a lapse in memory. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you sometimes draw a blank. It happens to the best of us. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.